Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to take a look at how to create a research question when you're starting a project. By the end of this video, you will be able to brainstorm a research question and develop a draft of a research question. To get started, read over the assignment from your teacher carefully, paying close attention to the criteria for the assignment. Do some preliminary reading on a broad topic that meets the assignment criteria to see what interests you. Your teachers and librarians may provide some books, library databases, and websites for this. Also, please note that this is to gain more background knowledge that will help you brainstorm potential research questions. After you do some preliminary reading, next you're going to brainstorm. So at this point, you're going to write or type up as many questions as you can think of on your topic. Don't stop to evaluate or critique the questions in any way. You're going to record every question as it first comes into your mind and change any statements that you brainstorm into questions. Next, you're going to categorize the questions that you've brainstormed into two columns, one for closed questions and one for open questions. Closed questions are those that have a yes or no answer or can be answered with a single piece of data or information. They can be answered easily, sometimes using a simple Google search. Open questions, on the other hand, don't have one word answers. They require reflection and additional information from multiple sources. Next, you'll reflect on the questions that you've brainstormed, focusing on the questions in your open question column. You'll brainstorm search terms that you could use to research those questions, and then you'll do some preliminary searching in books, library databases, and online to see if any of those questions are researchable. Based on the additional brainstorming and preliminary searching that you do, you'll look to see if any of the questions that you brainstormed stand out to you and if any of the questions could potentially be adjusted to meet the needs of your research assignment, making sure that you're finding a question that you're really interested in researching. So, what makes a good research question? First, it should be clear and focused. It should be researchable, meaning that you can find information out there in different sources to help you answer the question. Next, it should be complex, meaning that it doesn't have a simple answer, that you will have to find information in multiple sources. It should also be relevant to the assignment that you've been given by your teacher, and it should also be something that is interesting to you. Once you have a draft research question, or if you're struggling to come up with a research question, conference with your teacher and/or librarian. Consider their feedback and make any necessary adjustments to your research question. As you go through the research process, remember that it may become necessary for you to make adjustments to your research question as you learn new information. Thank you for joining me today for this video on creating a research question for a project. If you have any questions, please contact your librarians. Our email addresses are posted in the library Schoology course.